Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Ipsy versus Boxycharm for August. All right, there's not gonna be a try on today. I was pretty much kind of not in the mood for a try on today, so we're just gonna do the unboxing and of course giving the month to one of the two boxes. So this time I'm gonna start with Boxycharm. So this is what we get in our Boxycharm today. I mean this month. The theme is called Totally Boxy. And in here we get amazing products. So first thing in here is from Ace Beauty. And these are 2 glimmer shadows and they retail for $25. That's what they look like. I've seen swatches of these and they look amazing. So I will swatch for you guys as well. They look like the ColourPop shadows, if you've seen them. That's what they look like. Nice and soft and creamy. And I like that the packaging is all pink. It's so cute. And then we get this purpley kind of shade. So pretty. Come on, light. Don't do me dirty. So that's what the 2 shades look like. So beautiful. A silver and a purpley glimmery shade. So pretty. Next thing in here is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and this retails for $42. Wow. Can you guys see that, or do I have to do it closer? Come on, lighting, come on. So what this says is, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dopper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. So that's that. Next thing in here is from Becca, and this is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This retails for $39. Everybody was really happy to get this. I've heard great things about this powder. Very nice packaging. And it's a loose powder, and it comes in this container here. So I'm excited to try that out. Next thing in here is from Tarte, and I was excited to get this one because I was dying to try this. This is the Big Ego mascara. So this is the hot pink packaging, super cute. It's in the color black. And the tube is hot pink too, which I love. Gorgeous. Let me show you guys the wand. The wand is kind of pretty much exactly like the Better Than Sex. Not too much of a difference. I'm going to show you my Better Than Sex wand so you guys can kind of compare. This is my Better Than Sex right here. You guys will see that they're pretty much exactly the same. If there is a difference, it's super small. So yes, I'm excited to try that out because I love the Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm hoping that I'm going to love this one too. And the last thing here are 2 sheet masks. I do like sheet masks. These value at $9 each, I'm guessing, and they give you 2. And this is the Maki Berry Antioxidant Sheet Mask. So I might be trying this out today. So in Boxy, you get the 2 sheet masks, the Big Ego mascara, the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, your 2 shadows, and the Becca powder. So that was a very good box. Let's see what we got in Ipsy this month. So in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is called Bare Yourself. That's the theme this month. And they did a smaller little pamphlet, which I kind of prefer, for all the products. So the first thing in here is from Ahava, and this is a hydration cream mask. And this values at $33. This is interesting. I would like to try this out because I don't think I've ever tried a cream mask. I hate peel masks. That I definitely hate. I like sheet masks. They can get annoying, like my friend says. She can't read a magazine or walk around the house too much with them on. But a cream mask might work, so I'm excited to try that out. Next thing in here is from Pure Lease, and this is the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30, and this is 1.7 fluid ounce. This retails for $45. I believe I've had this in small sizes, like in sample sizes, if I'm not mistaken. This is a full size. By the way, the Ahava cream mask is a 3.4 fluid ounce. Next thing in here are some brushes, and these are from Farrah, and this is the Show Me Magic eye brush set, and they're so pretty. Look how pretty they are. It has like this nice blue, yellowish, greenish color on the barrels. Is that what that is? The barrel or the handle? One of the two. And this retails for $50. These are the handles. They're so pretty. Very, very pretty. So in here you get a mini shading brush. You get a pencil brush. A mini tapered brush. You get an angled brow brush and a concealer brush. So you get 5 brushes in here. Next thing in here is from Suva Beauty, and this is the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and this values at $26. And this is a liquid highlighter pretty much. It says that you can mix it in with your moisturizer or your foundation. That looks beautiful. Which I'm probably going to try that out that way. This one's called Trust Fund. This is a beautiful color. And the last thing in here is from the Balm Cosmetics. And this is in the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2 palette. And this values at $32. So in here, apparently, this is what the cover looks like. And this is what you have inside. So apparently you get 4 shadows, a highlighter, a bronzer, 2 blushes, and another blush, 3 blushes. So let's see, let's open this up. Very nice, very pretty. I like the balm because it always has like cartoony packaging, so I like that. So up here you have, this is a shadow, but also like a liner. This is what's so confusing. A shadow and liner. Next to that, you have a shadow and liner again. A shadow right here. You have a shadow right here. Then this is a highlighter shimmer shadow, which is this one. This could be a shadow or a highlighter. Then you have bronzer, which can also be used as a shadow or a contour. You have blush or shadow, blush or shadow, and then you have a blush over here. So this is a nice palette. All right, so in Ipsy we get this balm, this palette from the Balm. We get the Suva Beauty highlighting drops. We get the Farrah brushes. We get the Pure Lease daily moisturizer, and we get the Ahava, and we get the Ahava cream mask. This month has been by far, I think, my hardest month to pick, like literally, seriously, because both have things that I'm super excited about. Because for example, Ipsy, I'm excited about the cream mask, excited about the drops. The brushes are gorgeous, and I love the palette. It's beautiful too. And I don't love moisturizer, but it's always nice to have one, and Pure Lease is good. And then we have Boxy with this mascara that I'm excited about, the Becca powder. Okay, I'm not that excited about this. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe people will think I'm crazy, but this is probably kind of similar to like the illuminating drops, but I'm not exactly sure. And then we have sheet masks, which is not that crazy exciting. But then we have these beautiful glimmer eyeshadows. This is a very difficult month to choose. However, I think value-wise, I'm going to have to give it to Ipsy this month because we have a palette, we have brushes, we have moisturizer, we have a mask, like a 3.4 fluid ounce mask, versus we have 2 sheet masks, which is only 2 uses, and that's it. And we have the liquid highlighter. So I think value-wise, Ipsy takes the cake this month. I should have actually added these up so I could have seen, but I think just by looking at it, Ipsy has a lot more value, definitely, yeah. When I'm looking at the prices, I don't even really need to add it up. Ipsy has more value this month, so I think Ipsy's gonna take the cake for August as well, even though I'm very excited for both boxes this month. I had a very nice experience this month, which, you know, is not always the case, but I'm loving everything this month. But yeah, Ipsy takes the cake again, guys. Ipsy's doing it, guys. Ipsy is doing it, I'm telling you. All right, my loves, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which one you think is the winner for August. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.